Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get skins in Dark War Survival. In Dark War Survival, getting skins, especially for your watchtower, adds both style and power to your base. Now, the first thing to know is that most watchtower skins are tied to special in-game events like Yummy Carnival event, which offers exclusive limited time skins as rewards. Another example is the Devastator skin, which unlocks when you reach 10 million combat power within the first few days on a new server. This legendary skin boosts troop attack and defense by 5%, and the best part, it grants passive benefits even when not equipped. Some skins, like the Doom Arc skin introduced around Season 3, are available through in game purchases and may occasionally return for sale. You can also earn skins through alliance rewards or by ranking high in competitive events. Though these are often temporary, still, they're a great way to show off your progress. So whether you grind through events or invest in premium options, the skins are sure to make your base stand out in Dark War Survival. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.